everyone. Poverty and inequality are one of the big problems that affect many people around the world, especially in our country. Even if our economy is growing, there are still many families who struggle to eat meals 3 times a day, while others live in comfort. This situation shows that something is not fair and needs to be changed. Poverty means not having enough money to meet the basic needs like food, shelter, and education, while inequality means that some people have more chances in life while others are left behind. For example, some children stop going to school because their parents can't afford it, while rich children can study in good school and have a better opportunities. The government has programs to help the poor, but we must do more. We need to fight corruption, create more jobs, and make sure that resources are shared fairly. Education and skills training can help people provide better lives. We, as citizens, should also care and help one another. A small act of kindness or support can already make difference. In the end, poverty and inequality are not just a government problem. They are everyone's concern. A country cannot move forward if many of its people are left behind. Let us work together to build a fairer and kinder society where everyone has a chance to succeed. When we lift others up, we lift the whole nations as well.